just to give you guys a quick update, I did remove the whole rear subframe out. I've been working on it for a week straight, not all day, all night, but after work I come in, start wrenching maybe like 2 hours, making sure I got everything off, and just to get everything ready for new parts. So I'm gonna take this outside, wash it, get a lot of this dirt and everything off, and then I need to start labeling these bolts that I took out, so that way I won't be missing anything. As of right now, I'm just going to take this outside, wash it, make sure I have everything clean, so that way when the new parts get here, I don't have to worry about that. Just bolt them on, put it up in there, and go from there. But it did take me a while because, you know, work and everything. Took me, I would get off like around 5 o'clock. I would work on the car for about 2 hours, and then that happened like for a week straight. And so just to make sure I had everything right, I didn't want to, like, you know, be in a rush, tear something up and then have to repair it later on. So I do know for sure that when you are taking this out, you want to disconnect the speed sensor connection right here, and to disconnect the other wire that connection go into. It was, let me get a better view. It was connected somewhere on the back. Oh yeah, it was connected like right here with those factory, like, you know, tie downs and stuff, the plastic one. So anyone that's trying to do this, just remember you want to take that off, otherwise you're gonna rip up some wires. Alright, what's up you guys? So I know I'm horrible at vlogging. I just get to work on things and then I forget to record them. So yep, that's how it went. So, but I got the differential out, and it's right over there. I got it out, and it's completely different than the other one, but it's okay. That's why I wanted to take that one out, because being underneath the car, I saw that that differential was way different than the other one. So right now I did make a mess on the garage floor, but you know, something that a little degreaser and a little pressure washing won't get out. But now I am about to get the rear subframe prepped. I did receive the solid bushings in yesterday, SPL, and the tool to remove them. So I am going to clean this up and clean up the garage floor at the same time, and then see about removing them. Oh, there go those pretty welds. Look at that. Underneath all that grime. So you guys, I don't have a pressure washer. My cousin has one because he has a, what do you call it? Yeah, he has a pressure washing company, like roofing and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna try to get as much as I can off the garage floor and then have him come up and take care of the rest of it for me. Of course, pay him. You gotta pay people nowadays. But wow, it's looking pretty better than what I expected. So I had to get a Scotch-Brite pad for the rough areas and all the areas where it was like really built up. So okay, you guys, so we're gonna check it out, see how clean it got. Very nice. Almost looks brand new, but yeah. Make sure I got as much as I could, but overall it looks fucking nice. And now I just have to take out the bushings, this bushing and the rear subframe bushings. So I have ordered the tool from Z1. It arrived yesterday, so let's see how that goes. So you guys, have some bad news. I'm not gonna be able to do this today because I don't have a 7/8 socket. I would use something that's closer, but I don't want to strip anything. So I'm gonna save this for tomorrow, but I'm gonna load up my differential and the Tomei stuff and drop it off at the place I'm getting it rebuilt tomorrow. So it's gonna be fucking awesome. It's definitely coming along slowly but surely, but I want to make sure that I pretty much get everything right and not having to go back and correct stuff. So yep, dropping this off tomorrow to get rebuilt, and that's about it.